go for a ride in a 1970 302 Ford Boss Mustang. As you can see, there's guys looking at us right there. This is my car, and she's just about perfect. She runs like a dream, drives like a dream, shifts like a dream. Everything's been redone to this car. It's a very rare one. Very rare you find one in the hands of a private owner. They're usually in dealers because they snatch them up. Right now I'm doing 60 in third gear. There's 80 miles an hour. The car is unbelievably fast. It goes down the road straight as an arrow. And she's fun to drive. It's been a trailer queen all of its life. I've only driven it to one show, and every show I've taken it to, I've won. I have trophies to prove it, all kinds of stuff that goes with it. Everything works in the car, of course. I just picked one out of my collection that I had to sell. I got to downsize a little bit, and I have a lot of cars. And it was time for me to move one, and I decided I was going to let the Boss go. I wanted to go to a good home. There's 70, there's 90, there's 100, and I don't do that to my cars. Okay, we're back on. We had a little iPhone glitch that we had to get straightened out. But we're back in the 302 Boss, taking it for a ride, and here we go. It's barely any pedal at all. That's 80. That's 92 in third gear. I'll back down. Like I was saying, I don't beat my cars. I'm a collector, and I have a lot of nice cars that Randy can attest to. All my cars are really nice, and this is one of the most perfect ones I have. That makes this car so special is it was invited by the Ford Motor Company to join the stage of the unveiling of their 302 Boss. And I have the letter from Ford. I have a picture of the president of Ford Motor Company with the car on the stage. She's about as perfect as you can get. I'd like to put her in your driveway. Keep her from breaking loose though. in fourth gear. Woo! Woo! And that wasn't to the boards. No wonder they built these things to run with them C28s. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed your drive and my boss. And I'll look forward to hearing from somebody that can really take good care of this car, because it's quite a car. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you later.